Your teeth. Your... Ooh la la.
Ooh la la, go away.
You know what, honey?
A little bit, because I don't like seaweed. Hun? A little bit.
For try, two mouthful. Good morning, guys. Last night, I forgot. This morning, I found the pork that I cooked last night. It's still in the oven. Luckily, I shut it off and leave it there for a while. If I don't do it, that means it will burn.
And we would too. If you left the oven on all night.
Huh?
If you left the oven on all night, we'd all be burned.
The house will burn too? Seriously?
Seriously?
No, I shut it off and then I leave it there. I'm not stupid. It's just this morning I said, where is the pork? The pork that I cooked last night. Andun pa sa oven. Sabi ko, oh my gulay. Oh my gulay talaga. I am doing a Christmas intro. You know, vlogmas. I don't do vlogmas because I always upload every day anyway. So, what I'm gonna do is start December 1. I'm going to, you know, change na intro sa video natin. Para ganon. Vlogmas galore. Yeah. Look at this cat. You love your You love the fireplace. Gustong-gusto niya, guys. Every time na may fireplace, dito siya palagi. Yeah. Hello. Hi. You love the fireplace too? This one love it so much. Hi, Didiam. Hello, baby Didiam. Hi, Dimplers. Hi, Dimples. Hello. Afternoon na. Yeah, good afternoon na. Katatapos ko lang naligo. And then, binalik ko lang itong robe. Nakasuot na ako. Bihis ito. Ang ginawa kasi, guys. Kaya nga, inon ko yung fireplace. And then, basa din yung buhok ko. Hindi ko in-iron. So, alis po tayo, guys. Punta tayo ng Filipino store. May bibilhin lang ako doon. Whoa. I hear you barking out there. I heard you. Why you barking? Kita mo na ako. Hi guys. Alis tayo guys. Kasama ko si Dami guys. Nakita niyo? Dito yung asawa ko guys. Dito siya guys. Nandun siya. May tinignan lang siya sa mailbox. Wala pa rin. Sinamahan lang ako nito. Sabi ko, samahan mo naman ako. Sabi ko, samahan mo.
Door?
Yeah.
Where's my mask?
I don't know. It's right here. Hey, you're not going out.
I know, just in case you never... Yeah, we're gonna put these at late apples.
Yeah, I don't know why. Maybe they don't wanna pick it. Yung apple guys doon, hindi pa nila tinanggal. O hindi pa nila hinarvest yung apple. I don't know. And it's below freezing every night. It's like 20 something. And I don't know. Probably if it's below freezing, that means it's froze and then it's soggy after that.
A few moments later.
I know there can't be all seaweed in that bag.
I have to pick up while I'm here. Pick up something.
Then I have to be like you and text you. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing else. Just that.
Hon, I never see that.
I can show you the text. I can prove it.
I don't see that.
I can prove it in text.
Oh my god. Because I told Tommy guys that I'm getting something, you know, lato here. And he thought that's what I'm only getting and I have 2 bags.
You said, I'm just going to get seaweed. I'll be right in and out.
So of course I have to get, I'll show you when I get home. So that's it. So no one is here. I thought somebody's here. I see Rosa live over here before with her friend. I don't see her now. I guess they left. My husband is enjoying his phone guys. He's enjoying his phone. I will ask him to send it to me what he's doing right now. He's videoing.
Just checking. Doing a time lapse.
Oh, you're doing time lapse? Yan, alien, ani.
And now I'm a peaceful boy.
Apup. 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 You're a poop. You're a poopy. You're a poop. You're a poopy. You're a poop. You're ala, slow down daw sabi. Oh, I have to slow down. Your teeth. Your teeth. Oh my. Oh, yan. What is that? Penguin. Is that a penguin?
No.
Rooster.
Chicken rooster.
Rooster. There's a lot in there. Unicorn. Honey, you're a girly. Is that a dog?
Lion.
Lion. You're a girly.
Dragon.
Ugly. Why the dragon of Chinese is ugly? Dragon should be beautiful face. Honey, that's scary. This woman has been cleaning up.
Trumpy bear.
Did you have it? No, it's not Trumpy bear. Oh my god. Ngayon guys, dito ako mag-in. So, tignan natin kung asan sila darating. O, dito sila. Si Tami andun sa harap ng bahay. Pumunta sila dun kay Tami. Roxy!
I don't know which direction to run.
Yeah, I know. Okay, close it please. Han, close. Thank you. Itong mga baby ko, they want to Tami. It should be me. It should be mama. You go to your dada, huh? So, ito yung binili ko, guys. Ipakita ko lang sa inyo. Bangos, dalawa. Dalawang bangos. Hukog na. Ito yung binili ko. This is what I got extra, honey, look. I got 2 frozen fish. This is, and then this.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot. I have to go back. You're not going?
No.
Nakalimutan kong bumili ng
You
ano.
have to go back. You say I have to go back.
You're not a nice husband.
That's it.
Look.
We
Mamacitas.
set up the fireplace and both kids left.
Yeah, soy sauce. Mamacitas, oyster sauce. And then, kalamansi dalawa. And then, meron akong nakita, guys. Hot chili para sa pang, gisa, oh. Pwede man ito pang gisa. Did you turn it on? The fireplace?
Where are my kittens?
And then, ito.
The Tom's in a little bit here. I'll get fast.
And then, I got, Tommy would love this, guys. I tried this once. It's really, really good. I mean, I like it. Tommy would love this. So, that's why I got 2. Gusto kong matry niya yung champurrado. And then, also, I got the chicken sotanghon. Look. And then, I got Ligo sardines. Ayoko ng spicy na Ligo sardines. And then, ito talaga yung inano ko dito. Ang mahal nito, guys. Pero mas worth it. 540. Lato. 3 yung binili kong lato. Yan. Magbang tayo, guys. Doon sa isang channel. Well, parang ASMR joke na video. Yan. Parang simple video. Parang hindi natin seryosuhin palagi kasi na-stress tayo. Kaya nga, yung isang channel ko na abandon ko na, nabalikan ko na siya, guys. Gusto kong mag-upload once a week. Na abandon ko siya dahil parang iniisip ko palagi kung anong i-upload ko. Upload lang ng upload, walang pakialam kung ilang views. Yun yung talagang isipin kapag mag-start kang mag-video. Huwag isipin yung views. Upload lang ng upload. So, yun yung gagawin ko. Parang enjoy lang sa pag-upload. Huwag masyadong seryosohin natin kasi. So, mag-cut tayo nito para sa isang channel natin. Gusto ko lang kakain doon sa isang channel. I know. No. No. This is a freaking onion ba? So, sabi ko, hindi na ako magmumukbang. Pero alam nyo ba, kumakain naman ako everyday. Pero, I want to upload. Mag-isip ako kung ano yun. Para hindi ko na i-stress yung sarili ko. Kasi, Na-stress ako guys, na dalawa yung channel ko, kaya, and ipatry natin si Tami mamaya dinner. Kakain ako nito naman dinner. So, ipatry natin si Tami nito. Why is it so packaged?
One is a screensaver, one is a...
Oh, wash your hand after, huh? Because you know what? People handling that. Don't put it on the table. There's food in there. I mean, the whole packaging. No, the other one. Open the other one.
This is a screen protector.
No?
Yes, screen protector. It's got
Hello.
the tray to put it on with.
Okay. Han, can you do? Can you say, oh la la?
I cannot.
Han, it's just a expression. Oh.
Fresh shoe. Lulu.
Oh la la. Han,
How do we do this now?
can you just say it? Oh la la. Oh la la.
Ooh la la, go away.
You know what, honey? I don't like when you say that, honey. You throw me away all the time. Go away. You know what? You go away. Get out of here. You know, if the husband and wife fights, husband leave. The wife stays.
Because he's the smarter one, that's it.
No. You know what, honey?
You know what?
You really insult me.
Done.
I'm gonna break your new phone.
Done.
Naku talagang buhay na to. Yeah. Oh, he's so happy. He's happy. His phone is protected. Now it's time to drop this. Now, oh, it's nice, hon. I need a phone like this. No, just joking. I'm joking, okay? Don't go cray because it's crazy. Honestly, it's crazy. It's crazy expensive, guys. Honestly, guys, it's not worth it. Look, he is so busy with his thing. And then I'm ready to film over here
Oh,
later.
it's the wrong thing.
So now your phone is safe. I'm not worried. Because I'm the one who really is worried. Kidding me? And guys, I told him, guys, why he put my bag in here instead of me. Han, can you undo this? I want to see the bag. Get rid of this thing. He put his bag in there instead of his wife. I mean, Han, why not me, baby? Look at the bug. It's cute. When did you take this picture, honey?
I don't know, it's old. Okay, so now it's not so slippery anymore.
Are you happy?
Yeah, well, I feel better, like safer.
Okay.
Of city, state, and county governments. This administration will not be going to a lockdown. Hopefully, the whatever happens in the future, who knows which administration it will be. I guess time will tell. But it says he's not thinking of an national lockdown. One of your colleagues on the top.
No, because I want you to try and then I will get rid of you.
A little bit, because I don't like seaweed. Hun? A little bit.
For try two mouthful and then dip it in
Like
here.
eating worms.
You know what, honey?
Fluffy worms. Caterpillars.
Jesus.
Bowl of caterpillars.
Guys, this is what. Well, onion is good with it, hon. I want you to eat one time in a lot in the same time.
A lot.
Just lock down the entire country without targeting our efforts, and we are going to exacerbate the pandemic fatigue people are feeling. We are going to hurt jobs in the economy.
Tastes like butchers.
We're going to shut down
You know what, huh?
our children. So we've got
God, I cannot even do anything with this fucking video.
blunt force of acts.
Eat grass.
Can't have this, honey. I just realized this is good. Hon, I realized this is good. You don't give it to me this morning.
I offered you, you didn't want it.
You did? I don't see you.
No, hon.
That's not. Hon, I never answer like that. Oh, sweet. I said, thank you, hon. Please,
Yeah,
no.
okay.
That's what I said. Honey, please, no. I'm good. Thank you, hon. Parang nagustuhan ata niya, guys. Basta may vinegar and then lemon and then onion. I think he likes it. That's what I said.
Let's
He
see
likes
we
it.
just squiggles.
just squiggles. Squiggles. There's more, honey. Please. Huh? There's more, love.
For dinner time, you make it salad.
You want this for dinner? Huh? With salad? This one?
That will be salad.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words, they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud, and I hear you calling up. We're talking about nothing, then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Silence speaks so loud, and I hear you calling up. Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words, they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud.
So, do you want humba or the food from the restaurant? Pakainin ko lang yung asawa ko kasi aalis kami, guys. Magpunta kami sa isang bahay dahil umulan na. And mag-stay kami doon ng ilang oras and then balik na naman dito. I put a little pasta, okay? The seaweeds grape, do you want me to open? Huh? We can do it tomorrow again. Para talaga yung ano, guys, yung asawa ko para kung anak binibibi. Ganyan yan. Kasi ano, guys, kapag gawin ko yan, guys, makikita ko sa ano mukha niya na parang gustong-gusto din niya. Gusto siyang bibibihon. Gusto talaga niya yan.
You put the honey?
Yes, I did. Try it first.
I'm just saying.
Try it first. I want you to eat
What do you
this.
have?
I don't have anything.
Why?
I'm really full.
You're not.
Yes, I am, Han. I'm telling you, Han. Han, please. Busog na busog ako eh. Taba-taba ko na nga. Do you want a fireplace, Lala? Do you want? Your sister is happy over there. You know? Your sister is happy over there. Look at this, guys. Oh my God, pagka-baby. Oh my God, spoiled man. Your sister is happy with the fireplace. Do you want your fireplace over here too? You want to play? You want to play? Yes, you want to play. You want to play. Good boy. You wanna play that thing? You wanna play the camera holder, huh? Good boy ni Mama. Good boy. What a good boy. What? Lak, baga, lak. Aray, magigdula, pero sakitan. Pasakitan mo lagi niyo si Mama lagi. Ay, nako. No, don't use your teeth. Don't use your teeth. Don't, don't use your teeth. Don't use your teeth. No. Mama, ako lagi ka ba? Di man kaingana, good. Ingana lang na siya, guys. Masaktan ka lang kapag andito sa under blanket yung kamay mo. Inaku, I will smack you. Don't even. Pitikon na. Say good night na, because we are not leaving. We're staying here tonight. We're not gonna leave you guys. We're not gonna leave you tomorrow only. Tomorrow.
Feeling the lack of gravity by now, huh?
Say bye-bye first.
Hey, guys.
Good night, guys. The wind is crazy, guys.
I don't have to drive.
Dito talaga si Dami, oh. Han, can you please don't do that? Grabe yung ano, eh. Nakakatakot yung ano. Han, girin, Han. Oh my God. Takot ako. Okay, close that.
You walk around, the ground is so wet. I can't move.
I don't know what you're doing. Oh my God. Takot na takot talaga ako. I'm really nervous, guys. I'm so nervous, guys. Hopefully yung mga upuan sa harapan, hindi yun mag-ano. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow.